So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I want to talk about You Choose Your Own Outfit, the idea behind it, why it's called You Choose Your Outfit, and why even outfit in the first place. So if you're interested in a video like that, please keep watching. So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Like I said, in this video, I want to talk about my upcoming book, You Choose Your Outfit, and why I even wanted to come up with the metaphor outfit in the first place. Because I know personally, when I first started learning about self-development and learning about this thing we call life and how it works, it was very confusing. It was very confusing, and for me to understand exactly what people meant and what they were trying to portray, I had to get examples. I had to figure out, like, I had to relate to them in some sort of way. And so that's why I wanted to write the book with the metaphor outfit, because I am the CEO of Girl Censored, which, I mean, okay, so, but besides that, I wanted to really create a metaphor that I felt like a lot of people could relate to, a lot of people can understand, because honestly, like, especially like if you um start off with books, if you want to learn more about life and you start off with books like The Science of Success, which is a great book, by the way, The Science of Success or The Science of Getting Rich, one of the two, I think they're the same, or one of the two. It can be very confusing when starting to learn about this kind of stuff. I personally felt that way. Um, some people might not feel that way. They might be able to dive into it and understand things completely. I know when I started reading Think and Grow Rich, I was completely confused. I didn't understand the concepts in the book. I mean, at this point, I do understand it, but it took me a while to get to be able to understand those concepts and actually come back around to Think and Grow Rich. So I wanted to create a book that I felt like a lot of people could relate to and a lot of people could understand. And honestly, I personally like metaphorical type of things, like books and things like that, because I feel like it makes it easier to understand, and also it makes it fun, especially when it's something that's fun, like fashion and style. I like that, and obviously, so that's why I wanted to that's what was the whole idea behind outfit, and outfit being the metaphor for your reality and your experience. Now, I know that, Girl Censored is my women's apparel brand, and it's interesting, when I decided to write the book, I didn't put two and two together that I had a women's apparel brand and it was called Choose Your Outfit. I really didn't put two and two together until I was like, oh, one day I was like, oh, I do I do design for my own women's apparel brand, but I never put two and two together. But it also, I mean, once I started writing it, it made it so much easier to then relate things to this thing we call life, this experience, and the fact that we have the ability to choose the outfit that we want to see ourselves in. We are the designers of our lives, and I think that's important to stress, is that you have the ability to change your outfit. And if you don't like what you're wearing, you have the ability to change your outfit, and you can wear whatever makes you feel good, whatever makes you feel alive, whatever makes you feel sexy, whatever makes you feel bold and makes a statement, whatever it is, you have the ability to choose. And so that was the whole idea behind You Choose Your Outfit, and I think it's important to share the story behind it. It's interesting. I really did not set out to write this book. Um, I actually was against it because I really did not. I knew, like, I've written books before and I know that it takes a lot of work. And then, with promotion. And so when I started writing it, it became somewhat of a baby to me. I really got into it and I really wanted to share my story and the story of the fact that you can choose your outfit and empower people to choose their outfit and to be the stylist of their life, be the designer. So that was the whole thing about it. And I'm super excited for our upcoming launch for this book mid-May. Well, probably the end of May at this point. But the end of May, and I don't know, May is besides it is my birthday month, yay! But besides that, May just to me is just an amazing month. Um, yeah, a lot of great things happen in the month of May. Um, but anyways, you guys, that is all I have for this video. I really didn't have much to say, but I really wanted to share that because um, I have been MIA for a little bit. I have been moving. I've been moving house and setting up, and now I'm back online. So that's exciting for me because I love connecting with you guys in this way. So if you haven't already, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. I do videos on business and life and everything in between. I also this video is about have an upcoming book that's coming out the end of May, and I will leave the link below for that if you're interested to learn more about that book. If you haven't already, did I say that? I think I did. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and until next time, I will check you in the next video.